Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a hairstyle effect on Higgsfield AI. So this effect basically allows you to change the hairstyle from the color it was to a different color, or with the push of a button. Now let me show you how to do that. First step, go to this website called Higgsfield. Sorry for that. Okay, yeah, go to this website called, sorry, seems that went off. So let's go to higgsfield.ai, and then once you're on higgsfield.ai, click on explore. You would see, you know what, let me just, okay, it's, yeah, so you would see the visual effects. You can click on the visual effects here. So after doing that, click on hairstyle. You'll be brought to this particular page where you can actually see the um, images, the video samples created with this particular effect. So all you have to do from this section is to click on generate, and then once you've clicked on generate, or if you have or like any of them, you can click on any of these some video samples here. But once you clicked on generate, you will be um, redirected to this page where you get to upload your image here. So once you upload your image, you can also describe what you actually want. Let's say you want your color to change from black to auburn, or from black to purple, or whatever color you need or want. You can now also choose the model. Now again, it's best to know that each of these effects come with their own models, but you can also change them. This model is probably the best for this particular um effect that we want, the hairstyle effect. And then if you choose some other if effect, you would see they have different models. Notwithstanding, you can always switch to a different model if you do not like this, and also adjust the duration and resolution as you seem fit, as you deem fit rather. So once you're done, click on generate, and then wait for your video to be um, rendered. After a few minutes, it will be rendered, and then you get to download it here. So let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, guys, and please subscribe to the channel. We are actively trying to grow, guys.